Here we are, 40 years in the making. In 1978, Brown Davis kicked off making its world famous long-range fuel tanks. What better way to celebrate than building the iconic 40? It's not just our gear we wanted on the vehicle, so we spoke to a lot of the industry leaders to fit out the vehicle with some of the best gear you can get. We're heading up to Jamison, up into the High Country, so let's jump in the car, take this 40 Series for its first spin and see how we go. I'm sure it'll be an adventure. Barbara, what's this track?
The main road up to the Slate Mine, right?
Yep.
It's 14 kilometres.
14 k's. It's bypass roads. They come back out onto the track again.
I thought we should take a couple.
Some of them are remarkably difficult.
I know.
Remarkably difficult. Like, we had a GQ Patrol roll over diagonally backwards.
Well, we don't want that.
No, but what I'm saying is that's the level of difficulty. The issue is I haven't driven most of these bypasses for about 2 years. So I'm not absolutely sure how shitful they're going to be or good or otherwise. There's only one way to find out.
Well, I reckon you be the test dummy.
I can be the test dummy if you want.
And then you let me know whether I should follow.
Probably not this one, by the looks of it.
Oh, Barb.
Well,
they're just woofy.
Barb.
hang on. The Jeep might like to have a go at this too. Nah, look, stuff. We should have a go at this.
Righto.
All right.
Ben, you're the test dummy. We'll make Ben do it.
So what we'll do,
We'll
I'll
make Ben
have
do
a
it.
crack. If it looks okay, I'll stop at a point where it's appropriate to stop.
I don't even know how to put this thing in four-wheel drive.
Right, hubs in first.
Do we do
Deploy
it
the
whole-
hubs.
Do we put it in now for good?
Deploy the hubs.
Deploy the... I need to get this down first.
Let the tyres down and deploy the hubs.
A personal tyre sponsor has given me no help.
What pressure are you running now, Cam?
25.
Okay, you want to go down to about 22 or 20 or something.
Now that I'm onto my third tyre, he wants 22.
I don't care, so long as it's... I wouldn't go lower than 20, no.
What are they? Two breast D2s.
What do you reckon, pressure-wise? I'm thinking 22.
Might even end up testing the roll cage.
They're deployed. They're locked in.
Well done, Barbara. All right, let's check what we've got over here. Deploy the hubs. We're off. All good?
And just head off up the hill when you're ready. You can put it into low. Put it into low. Low range, definitely. I think it's in low.
I'll push it all the way to the left.
Low's all the way to the right.
I'm in low now.
Okay, who's next?